Today in this video we'll be using the crucible to melt down aluminum. I got that on Amazon and I got for 2 ignits that are 100 ounces. And I got the little ones, but I don't know if I'll be using the little ones. So this is all the aluminum cans that I got. There's also some license plates that I got in there and some other aluminum stuff. And I collected this when I'm truck driving on the side of the rest areas next to the highway. So kind of cleaned a little and good for my experiment. No, so this is just the few amount that whenever I drink my mineral water, I got on the side over here. Also, I have another battery, my GoPro stuff, a water to throw the ignits in, water just in case, the torch, and this, I'm going to set it up so you guys can see a time lapse of whenever I melt the ignits, the aluminum basically. And I got a stands over here. All right, let's get to it. So this is all the pieces from order. This is the first one and this is the last one. So this is my first cast ever. I didn't take out all the trash. There's a lot of trash inside there. This is my second cast. I really liked it. Looks nice. But it still has some trash in it. My third one still has trash in it, as you can see. Fourth one looks a little like the first one. Doesn't look that good. My last one is my favorite. And it feels like a brick. Wow, this thing is nice. And because I had extra, this is what I am left with. Well, this is all of them together. I'm about to go scale out on my scale and see how much they weigh all together. I don't have a regular scale, but I have one of these. Let's see how much I weigh just with the camera. 235.6. Alright, let's put these on with me. Okay. $242.4. And this is everything that was left in it. It's about a half a bucket. And I think there's still a lot of aluminum that I can still get out of it. I don't know. What do you guys think? This is like, I know this is aluminum right there. This looks like trash. There's a little aluminum in there you can see. Right there. So I'm going to keep it for now. And who knows, maybe I'll burn through this again. Try to get see how much I can get out of it. What do you guys think? Put it in the comments if I should burn this also. And go through it again. There's water in there at the bottom. And then this is me with the bucket. I took out all the water. There we go. I also have a lot more aluminum cans that I got from my parents and my brother. This is all aluminum, and then this one right here. This is all aluminum. I need to clean my garage. There's really nowhere to put it. But there's a lot of aluminum. There's another bag. There's like 4 black ones and 6 blue ones. A lot of cans. Stay tuned. I'll make more videos about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and also a comment. I'll be making more videos like this on melting the other aluminum that I was showing you guys. And this is just another walkthrough on all of them. I'll be honest, my favorite is this. I was thinking to maybe make a video of me making it shiny, this one. And I don't want to remelt it. These other ones, I might remelt them. Except this one, I might keep it and just make it shiny also. But the rest, I might melt them again and just to make nicer ones. And then I want to make this shiny. What do you guys think? Should I make a video on that? On me making it look shiny? Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. As always, see you in the next video.